Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about fricatives. In our previous video we have already discussed about what is plosive aspirated or what is non-aspirated plosives. So what is fricatives? Fricatives are produced when two parts of the mouth force air through a small space. So, fricatives are a group of sound in English. So, when the two articulators come very close together and they form a little small gap in the vocal tract, but not a full closure. For example, so first आप लोग को ये देख लेना चाहिए बिकॉज ये काम आने वाली है हमारी. ये है हमारे नाजल कैविटी, हार्ड पैलेट, एल्वियोलर रिजिड लिप्स, टीथ एंड सॉफ्ट पैलेट, ओवल, देन टंग, एपिग्लोटिस एंड वोकल कॉर्ड ग्लोटिस. सो हमारे जब वोकल ट्रैक और वोकल कॉर्ड्स वेरी क्लोज आ जाते हैं एंड यहाँ पे जो स्मॉल गैप बचेगा वहाँ से एयर पास होएगा और उसमें से साउंड प्रोड्यूस होएगा, तो हम लोग इसको क्या बोलेंगे? फ्रिकेटिव्स बोलेंगे. नेक्स्ट है, देयर आर 9 फ्रिकेटिव्स. लेट्स हैव अ लुक टूवर्ड्स देम. फर्स्ट इज एफ. So F is unvoiced sound. Why we will discuss about later. So first is it is F, fish, stifling, plaintive. So it is labiodental sounds. Labiodental sound. लेवियोडेंटल क्यों? बिकॉज हमारे लिप्स एंड डेंटल के बीच में जो साउंड प्रोड्यूस होता है हम उसको बोलते हैं लेवियोडेंटल. तो एफ ये हमारे लेवियोडेंटल साउंड है. लिप एंड टीथ के बीच में, डेंटल के बीच में जो साउंड प्रोड्यूस होएगा उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं लेवियोडेंटल. कैसे फॉर्म होगा ये? जब हमारे टॉप टीथ बॉटम लिप को टच करेगा, जैसे कि यहाँ पे हमारा यहाँ पे टिथ का इमेज नहीं है, हम लोग फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे टिथ है और ये हमारे लिप्स है. तो जब ये डेंटल हमारे टॉप ऑफ बॉटम लीफ को टच करेगा तो ये साउंड प्रोड्यूस होएगा, तो हम लोग उसको बोलेंगे लेवियोडेंटल. ओके. Five foreigners left to the famous Philippine fantasy park. Create 5 female names that begins with F sound. Example: Fiona, Faraha, Faja, Freed, Fatima and Fija. Okay. So next is our V sound. It is unvoiced sound and it is voiced sound. I'm sorry for the writings. Victorious, frivolous belief. Viceroy Vienna was very vindicative and vicious. Vindicative means प्रतिशोधात्मक. तो V, it is a voice sound. Why voice sound? Because while pronunciating V, we feel vibration from our vocal cord. So it is called voice sound. And while pronunciating F, we do not feel vibration from our vocal cord. That is why it is unvoiced sound. Okay. Create a list of 5 food items that begins with V sound. Example, vanilla cake, vermicelli pasta, vegetables, Vienna sausage and fowl। तो हम लोग देखें कि F वॉइसलेस साउंड है। क्यों वॉइसलेस साउंड है? क्योंकि हम लोग F साउंड जब प्रोनाउंस करते हैं तो वाइब्रेशन फील नहीं करते हम अपने वोकल कॉर्ड में, और V को प्रोनाउंसिएट करते समय हम लोग को वाइब्रेशन फील होता है। दैट इज वाई इट इज कॉल्ड वॉइस साउंड। ओके, और F कहाँ, F का साउंड कहाँ पे प्रोड्यूस होता है, क्रिएट होता है? वो लेवियोडेंटल है। टिथ जब बटम लिप को टच करता है तो ये साउंड प्रोड्यूस होता है। नेक्स्ट इज TH साउंड। TH साउंड तो थर्मोमीटर, कैथोलिक एंड आफ्टरमैथ। Theoretically, 3 thieves are catch every 3 hours. Create a movie name with at least 5 TH sound. Example, the theory behind 33 thieves and thistle. So, this is also unvoiced sound. Why? Because we do not feel vibration while pronunciating TH sound. And it is formed between our teeth, tongue between teeth. Okay, तो TH जब हम प्रोनाउंस करते हैं तो हमारे टीथ के बीच में ये साउंड प्रोड्यूस होता है। एंड अनदर TH साउंड इज हियर। Thereafter, father breathed. The mothers gathered at the fierce hall now and then. Feathers hall now and then. Create 2-line letters with at least 5 TH sound. Example, dear father, the gathering has decided to go with leather couches rather than synthetic one. Okay, so it is voice sound. It is voice sound because when we pronounce TH sound here, we feel vibration in our vocal cord. Next is S और S, हम लोग S बोलते हैं, इसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन होता है। तो सिंक्रोनाइज, पेस्ट्री, मेटिकुलस। A sinister silence followed the song sung by Sasha. Create 2-line poem with a list 5 with at least a 5 S or sound. For example, sweet soldier said to his wife, "My sweetheart, I will never see you to solitude." Okay, so it is also alveolar sound or unvoiced alveolar sound. Why? Because it is formed at the alveolar part of our mouth. That is why it is called alveolar and unvoiced sound. Why? Because when we pronounce it is unvoiced. We do not feel any vibration. Next is again. तो champagne, rotational, polished, luxurious, fissure. Silly is the fashionable catcher at the lush shoe shop. Create 5 sentences with 2 S sound or sound. Example, she sold all her sarees. Puppies take shelter in roadside. Said she will be in sheep-shape. Fashionable shoes are out and the railway station is crazy during rush hour. rush hour. Next is here exercise. So next sound we will discuss later at the last. Next it are z. Z. It is also alveolar and j. Pleasure, leisure, closer, luxurious. The pleasure of leisure break-in is a luxurious feeling. Create a 5-word list of z sounds. Example: pleasure, measure, enclosure, and explosion. It is formed at the alveolar part of our mouth. So it is called alveolar sound. Next is z. Zebra, gazelle, graze. Frizzy hair. Meryl likes puzzles and going to the zoo. Create a sentence with at least 5 z sound. Example: the zookeeper was zapped when he heard the crazy buzzing. Okay, so it is a post alveolar sound. It is created at the post alveolar part of our mouth. It is a voiced sound. It is unvoiced sound. When we pronounce this sound, z sound, we feel vibration and it is unvoiced. Okay, next is a, h, h. Hilarious, historical, Stockholm. He hinted at her to hike with him to top of Stone Hill. Create a person introduction with at least 5 F sound. Example: my name is Helena and I teach history for high school kids in the Hispanic part of Holland. So this is all about your fricative sounds. Next is exercise. So when we pronounce wave, freeze, zane, tongue touches the roof of the माउथ वाइब्रेट. तो यहाँ पे टंग रूफ माउथ के रूफ को टच करता है एंड वी फील वाइब्रेट्स इन आवर वोकल कॉर्ड. सो इट इज वॉइस साउंड एंड बाथ ब्रीथ. देन इट इज अ वॉइसलेस साउंड. tongue between the teeth. It is produced between tongue and between teeth. So this is all about your fricative sounds. So thanks for watching this video and please like, share, subscribe and comment on my comment section. Thank you for being here.